Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to show you one of the fully funded scholarships of Poland government. The scholarship is meant for only master students. This is a fully funded scholarship and you know that the Poland has one of the top universities like the University of Warsaw and University of Wrocław and many others. The deadline for submitting your application is 21st June 2021. As you can see here, the call for proposals has just begun from the 20th of May. Method of submitting the application, you have to fill in the application. So you can only fill one application. The maximum number of applications which may be submitted by one applicant is only one. So these are meant from some specific countries and India is one among them, and we have for citizens of like Albania, Armenia, Azerbaijan, and many other countries. We have They have the two types of scholarships. One is meant for the for engineering. One is given in the field of engineering, technical science, agriculture science, as well as of natural science. And for some specific countries, they have also included the fields of humanities and social science, with the exception of philological studies in the field of mother tongue of the beneficiary's country of origin. So all the details have been given in this portal. You have to click on this portal. Here is the portal given. Call for proposals nawa.gov.pl/en. So you can also Google it. But you have to cautiously check all the eligibilities and also the time frame. So this is a very good scholarship. It's a fully funded one. This will cover all your expenses like your accommodation, like your tuition fee, and for that you need for required attachments you need a valid passport and scan of the first cycle studies diploma. You There is a primary requirement of transcript. So they have two types of assessments. So one is known as formal assessment and second one is known as substantive assessment. And in formal assessment, they will check your basic eligibility criteria, that if you have passed your bachelor's degree, and then this is the minimum requirement to be eligible for you for master's degree. So after completing your formal assessment, there is the second assessment known as substantive assessment. So this year uh, they will give scholarship on the basis of two types of evaluations. One is recommendation by a diplomatic and a consular mission, non-governmental organization or university. This means that if the embassy in your country or some university, like if you are getting acceptance letter from university that they accept you, they will say that this student, we will take this student as our in our next program, in our program. So it has got a weightage of 40%, and apart from this there is a weightage of 60% of your grades. So I will recommend that the persons who have high CGPA about 8 above, like out of 10, if you have greater than 8 CGPA, though I this is highly recommended for these persons. So I will also suggest you to contact some universities and embassy in your country, so to get acceptance letter beforehand. So you have to check all these minute details bit by bit. They have given all the details here, like scholarship, how much they will pay you, like PLN 1700 per month during the preparatory course. So also check the country, that like the country Pakistan, the country of Pakistan is not mentioned here, so they are not eligible. So if you need any other information, you can always email us, so we will help you as soon as possible. So thank you. Please do not miss this opportunity. It's a very good opportunity. The results will be declared on 31st August. Thank you again.